Welcome back. You're watching NewsX. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. Let's get started with our big focus this hour. Day 2 of the Delhi Assembly session erupted in massive uproar after Speaker Vijender Gupta suspended 12 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, including the leader of opposition Atishi. Tension started amidst AAP sloganeering against the BJP regarding the Ambedkar portrait row at the beginning of the session. Aam Aadmi Party MLAs went on to stage a protest outside the assembly after being suspended for the day, claiming the BJP's replacement of Baba Saheb Ambedkar's portraits with that of Prime Minister Modi's, while the ruling BJP government called this a diversionary tactic. The AAP, of course, was doing in the face of tabling of the CAG report. Well, BJP has pushed for tabling and presentation of the 14 CAG reports in the assembly, a long-standing issue between the two parties. Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa is hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's quickly play out that soundbite.
ये पार्टी को स्वाय लड़ाई झगड़े और हंगामे को कुछ आता नहीं है। बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर की और शहीद आजम शहीद भगत सिंह जी की ना को फोटो को हटा सकता है, ना किसी ने हटाई है, लेकिन उनको अपनी कैग रिपोर्ट से डर लग रहा है और उस कैग रिपोर्ट को दबाने के लिए, उसकी खबर को हटाने के लिए ऐसे नौटंकी कर रहे हैं दिल्ली।
Arzu Seth is joining us for more details on this story. Arzu, the BJP has hit back after the Aam Aadmi Party raised the issue once again of removal of Baba Saheb Ambedkar's photographs and Bhagat Singh's photographs in the Delhi Assembly and outside the Assembly as well.
Well, yes, there has been a war of words after the Aam Aadmi Party have alleged the Bharatiya Janata Party of being the anti-Dalit and anti-Sikh party, as they have removed the photographs of the B.R. Ambedkar and the Bhagat Singh from the CM office. This is what the Aam Aadmi Party have alleged. And now we have seen after the ruckus at the Delhi Assembly, the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, including the LOP and the senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, have been suspended, and they came out and also holds the protest outside the Delhi Assembly and said that they will continue to raise this issue until they will put back the photograph of the B.R. Ambedkar and the Bhagat Singh on the walls of the CM office. In fact, the BJP has attacked, saying that those who are talking about the photograph of the B.R. Ambedkar has always disrespected B.R. Ambedkar by not following their principles. So yes, there has been a war of words, and now the update is coming in that the CAG report has been presented. The first CAG report has been presented after 2017, as the first CAG reports include the information about the liquor scam, the excise policy, about the excise policy. And if we talk about the report, the massive revenue loss of more than 2,000 crore have come to a fore after the CAG report has been tabled about the excise policy. Also, there has been a license violation that have been witnessed. There was the expert advice that was ignored, and that's why there was a huge loss that the Delhi government faced for bringing the excise policy. So yes, there were a lot of attack on the previous AAP government, the Aam Aadmi Party, for not tabling the CAG reports. There are 14 pending CAG reports which are to be tabled, and today the first CAG report regarding the excise policy has been tabled by the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. Yes, Uday.
All right. In fact, my colleague Arzu has spoken with Delhi Minister Arvinder Singh Lovely as well. Let's quickly play that out.